I am using today DecoArt Premium. It comes in two different containers, the 16 ounces and the 8 ounces. So these are the beautiful colors that we're using today. It's going to be very colorful, I hope, for. Okay, so we have Cobalt Blue Hue, we have Cobalt Turquoise Hue, Quinacridone Magenta, Cadmium Orange Hue, Hansa Yellow Light. I have Snow Titanium White, and I have Light Buttermilk. So I like to add the gloss medium to the Americana paints because these other paints have some luster. They have gloss and they are thicker. I want to make these paints to the same level as those. I don't know if that prevents from the cracking, but you know, their cracking most of the time is on the white. So I prefer adding this gloss medium. Okay, notice I put white in the border so that I remember that I have the light. I've been adding the white only on this side. If you want to go back and see that, you can rewind the video and go watch it again. So I put the colors in order, one inside of each one. So I was making concentric circles inside of each one, and now I'm going to bring my canvas and I'm going to put that green color in my canvas, and then I'm going to pour this on top. But today I'm going to be using the bottom section of a bottle container. It's so pretty. Put someplace. is the result. I have not varnished because it is a large piece and I am completely out of the top coat. So when I receive some more top coat, I will be able to varnish this. But I think it turned out very pretty. Some people told me that they didn't like the center, but I do like it because for me the center looks like a rose forming in there. Anyway, something that I like is that it is cooler in this side. You see the blues, and it's warmer in this side with more orangey colors. Darker yellow, some yellow is warmer in here with the colors and cooler in this side. I think it's pretty. So I'm gonna show you. I have to turn it because it is a large piece so that you can see everything. Let's do it this way. So it turned out very pretty. Let's put it this way. I think it goes this way. So thank you for joining me, and I hope you like this crazy adventure, and I'm gonna do another one differently and with different colors because I have an idea in mind to make it different. Please come back for more. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please share my videos so other people can watch it. Bye-bye. Before I go, I want to show you this side, which is different. Like, okay, let's show you this side, how pretty it is with skinner lines. And look at this side, which is different. It is very pretty too. Look at that. That's very pretty too. See? It's very pretty. So there are many areas that you can look, so that makes a piece interesting. Thank you for joining me.